How to make a freestanding garland. You need 40 11-inch or 12-inch balloons inflated to 8-inch and 35-inch balloons inflated to about 3-inch. Some 260s for tying in the mini balloons, and then whatever foil balloons, whatever theme you can leave it plain, but I'm actually making a princess theme, so I'm putting in some princess mini foils. Inflate the 11-inch. These balloons don't need to be exact because it's organic. You only need to do them exact when it's a number stack. Make the duplets into cords, twist them together. Attach a water weight to the base. Nail polish remover is for removing the colour off of the foil balloons to make them stick with glue dots. At the base I'm actually going to add in a 16-inch balloon as well, just to make it a bit wider at the bottom. I might put 2 of them in. 2 weights. I'm hoping it'll be freestanding. If not, I'll need to use a stand. And the 260. It's going to stay up, so I might have to use one of these telescopic palms. Just put water in the base. Put some 5-inch balloons. Tie together and make these into clusters of 3. And to tie them into garlands, put them onto half a 260. And just twist them into can leave it like that, or you can add in character foils for whatever theme that you're doing. These little foils need to be heat sealed. If you haven't got a heat sealer, you can use hair straighteners. Just make sure that you've got that nice and flat. Any creases there can escape. Twice. I'm going to attach the foils with glue dashes. These ones, the glue dot's going to stick to them, so you need to take the paint off. They've got the nail polish in it. Some stick, some don't. It's trial and error. You can normally tell that they feel too smooth, and normally the paint needs to be taken off. Just line it up. See where the foil will touch the latex to stick them on. Paint this tissue, make sure all the nail polish and there goes on.